Enemy en route. Enemy en route. Morning, it's my Jeep update for Sunday, January 30th, 2022. And this morning, let's see, it's about 8:30, and I've already been working since about 7:45 or so. I took the blower motor out, and I'm going to try to get to the evaporator so I can clean the outside of the fins. I got a some kind of filter in there. I'm trying to figure out how to get out now before I can actually get to the blower motor. But anyway, this blower motor was easy to get out. And I already had my glove box out. You have to remove that to get it out of your way. And then there was only 3 8mm screws. You can either use a straight slot. I think you can use a T20 or T27. I'm not really sure. It could be a T30, but I just used an 8mm ratchet wrench for one that was in a tight spot, and I used my 8mm standard ratchet for the other two, and it came right out. But I got a filter up in there. Let me get this out of the way. I'm gonna show you, and it's foam and it's falling apart. I had to go in, use some eye wash because it all fell in my eyes. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, right up in there. Let me get my hand out of the way. Okay, get a little better light on it. Okay, you see that right up in there? Oh, anyway, that foam, and it's coming apart. I got to get that out of the way so I can, and I think my evaporator coil is right behind there, but I got to figure out how to get that. On your newer Jeeps, this thing, you can slide it out from inside the glove box, but that don't look like the case here. I'll figure that out. Anyway, to back up here, I don't see how, I haven't figured it out. See, in the newer Jeeps, it's got a box there. You can pop the door open, slide the old one out, put a new one in. That's your cabin air filter. Now, some of them have them, right below the windshield on the driver's side. Now, I don't know if there's one there. I will be checking that. But there's some kind of filter there that was behind the blower motor. I got to get it out of the way. So anyway, I'll be doing some research on that and find out what the problem on getting that out is and the solution. So that's a my Jeep update for now. Let me see if there's anything else. Sorry about the crummy camera view. Anyway, I'm still and then for the inside of the evaporator, I'm gonna take my expansion valve off, and when I get my cleaner, it's some type of foam, I can spray it in there, and then in one side, I think you spray it in the inlet with the inlet side, and you can force it out with compressed air or my air compressor. Clean the foam out, cleaner, with whatever's built up inside, probably some old oil and debris and stuff. But anyway, that's what I'm going to attempt to do. That's what I'm working on today. I do not have my cleaner yet. That probably won't be done until tomorrow, unless it comes in early, because I do order it from Amazon. Anyway, that's a quick update on my Jeep, and out for now. Good morning, my Jeep update for Monday, January 31st, 2022. And I've been working since about 8 this morning, nothing heavy. I drilled some holes in the case that encloses the evaporator and heater core, and I sprayed some coil foam cleaner in there. I just pumped a bunch of it in there. Let's show you the holes. I'm going to reseal these holes. But let's see if you can see them. Get this light. I drilled a number of holes in here. I don't think I had, but I was able to use my cleaner. You see I got this long tube on it. And what I was able to do, I had to drill holes big enough because I wanted a tube to go in there. If you can see that. And see, you can push it up in there. And I would spray it at different places. And I did it in all these holes. This hole here, I think I was up against the, that hole there, I think I was up against the evaporator, I'm not sure. I didn't drill very far, I didn't want to, anyway, but all these other holes, and I think, I don't know for sure, I think the, and anyway, all these different holes, I stuck this different places and sprayed. And then the last thing I did, I think I put it, what I had left in the can, put it in here, and I just sprayed the remainder of the can out until there was nothing else, hoping to fill that, you know, get as much in there on the evaporator and the heater core to hopefully clean it out some. And also, evidently, as you can see where it's been leaking down, because it says it turns in, that foam turns into liquid, and you know, inside that case is sealed. The HVAC case, I guess that's how you, and it goes to the drain tube, and I saw where it was dripping out. So you see it rolling out right there. So anyway, I know my drain tube is working also. Anyway, I have another whole can of that. I may put some more in there later. I got to break off. Got another doctor's appointment this afternoon, so I'm gonna break off. Anyway, that's a quick update. And if it's not too late when I get back, I'll do a little more work on this and do another update. That's my Jeep out for now. And good morning, my Jeep update for February 1st, 2022. And it's Tuesday morning, about 9 o'clock. And I'm gonna pick up where I left off yesterday. And what I'm gonna do is, yeah, I had about a half a can of this evaporator coil foam cleaner, and I put it, and I think if you watched the last video, I drilled some holes in this HVAC case and filled it. I tried to get it on the evaporator and the heater core. You see the holes. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put before I seal those holes, I'm going to go ahead and put about a half a can more in there. And from there, when I finish that, I'm going to go up here to the firewall. I got to figure out, I don't want that stuff coming back through my evaporator, so probably what I'm going to do is disconnect. I believe that's the high pressure side, I'm not sure. I'm going to disconnect, I'm going to take this expansion valve back out, and then I got to figure out, I'll have to go from there because I may have to put it back in, reinstall this, and this is going to be used as a drain tube, I believe. I think that's how it's going to work, and I'll shoot that foam in there, and then I'll use some compressed air. With my compressor, I'll shoot some air in there and then try to blow all that out, clean it out. But that's what my plans are. Whether they work out like that, I'm not sure. Now, this cleaner, it's I'm gonna put that foam in there, but I got another cleaner also that said, well, this is with the system completed, you know, with it Freon, everything working normal. You can push that tube up through the drain tube, and it goes, and it'll shoot that foam up into the inside of the evaporator, completely fill it up, and then you just let it set, and then you can blow it out with compressed air. But it says after a half hour or so, that stuff will drain out, turns into liquid, and drains out. So anyway, that's what I'm working on today. I'll update you if I make any progress or run into any failure. That's my Jeep out. Okay, this is another My Jeep update. I got this, I'm trying to move it around in there.
Hey
while I
boy,
spray it in.
how many
Hopefully
damn times you gonna spray that stuff?
Gotta get in over that heater core. Okay, I'm gonna move it to another location now. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, now let's try this one. See how far back I can get that. Okay. Now I'm gonna go, I already got that center one, I'm gonna go with this one. But I think that's the one that I can't get into. Yeah, that's the one I can't get into. So, let's see. See, I don't know